Welcome to the Modern Classroom Project, Video 3, Lesson 0.3, Different Types of Mistakes. Your learning target will be I can identify different types of mistakes and explain why mistakes are important. Before we go any further, please make sure that you have your note-taking sheet to take notes over the video. Mistakes are a good thing. Making mistakes show that you've tried. Mistakes are a workout for the brain. Mistakes may give you the ownership of your learning. Mistakes show you what doesn't work, makes you help notice the concept or pattern that you might not have seen otherwise, help you understand a problem better, understanding why a method may not have worked and can lead to another solution, and mistakes make the moment you finally solve it that much sweeter. There are 3 types of mistakes. The first one is careless mistakes. The second is computational mistakes. And the third is conceptual mistakes. Careless mistakes are mistakes that occur simply because you're not paying attention or you're working too fast. Some examples could be you copied the problem wrong, you wrote a number wrong, you did not put a negative sign, sloppy handwriting, you didn't follow directions, you typed something wrong in the calculator. Ways to avoid these careless mistakes are to slow down, circle important information, use graph paper if you need to. Computational mistakes are where you have a mistake in the process of the solving, whether you added, subtracted, multiply, or divide incorrectly. Making one computational mistake in a multi-step problem means that the rest of your work may be wrong and the final solution will be wrong. Ways to avoid these computational mistakes are A, slow down, and B, check your answer for accuracy. Does the answer make sense to the problem? Conceptual mistakes, the third type of mistake, is mistakes that occur when you are misunderstanding the underlying concept or have used incorrect logic. This is the most difficult type to identify, but the most important type to catch and correct. Here's an example. Sally and her friends have a bag of candy with 24 pieces of candy. They decided to share the bag equally. If they each get 6 pieces, how many friends are all together? If a student was to solve this problem by multiplying 6 times 24, it shows that they do not actually understand the problem or the concepts of division, even if they work out 6 times 24 correctly. Some ways to avoid your computational mistakes is to check your notes to better understand the concepts. Rewatch the instructional video to review. Ask for help from a classmate or the teacher. Remember, mistakes are okay. Mistakes make your brain grow. Mistakes are proof that you're trying. Don't regret your mistakes. Learn from them. And that is the conclusion of video 3 for lesson 0.3.